Good morning everyone. I hope everybody will be fine. So welcome back to the money trading Binolla. और मैंने क्या किया, मैंने थंबनेल अभी तक चेंज ही नहीं किया. चलें जी, मैं चेंज कर देती हूँ थंबनेल और सेटिंग्स में जाके. So all those new members who are actually new over here, so I just want to tell you कि before 6 days I have started a trading challenge by the name of मनी बिनोला. ठीक है, मनी बिनोला पे मैंने आई हैव स्टार्टेड अ चैलेंज बिफोर 6 days. Started with $16. And so in a 16 days we have successfully converted from $16 to $96. ठीक है, अभी आपको जो बैलेंस है वो बैलेंस आपको नज़र आ रहा होगा अराउंड ये आपको बैलेंस नज़र आ रहा है $136 का बैलेंस नज़र आ रहा है, राइट. सो कुछ ट्रेडिंग की जो मैंने कल की थी, बट राइट नाउ वी हैव सक्सेसफुली वी हैव स्टार्टेड दिस सेशन फ्रॉम $16 to $96. थोड़ी सी ट्रेडिंग करके आई टुक इट टू द $136, राइट. सो द करंट बैलेंस इज ओवरऑल $136 राइट नाउ. We are maintaining our target on the daily basis on the behalf of the capital, 20% to 30% on the daily basis, and this is how I successfully achieved it, and this is how I did it, right. So without any further delay, I will request all of you to please go through with to join my, don't forget to like my Telegram channel, don't forget to join my YouTube channel, right, so that you will get notified about each and every post. And this challenge will remain last towards the 1 month, right. After the 1 month we will come to know about this thing के how it will move on और ये किस तरह से, and how what will be the profit or what will be the capital or what will be the profit we will achieve, right. Alright, okay, so what will be the capital or what will be the, okay, alright. So now let's move back towards the chart, okay. And what we're gonna do is I'm going to start the session right now, okay. So I will choose some pairs randomly, like I will choose the bars in spite of candles. Let's make some practical analysis. Let's make some experiment over here, okay. So we are going to choose a bar, and okay, no problem. I don't think so that we need to choose any experiment over here. We will go back to our candles, no need to choose the bar. Again we will go back to the candles, no need to choose the bar, and this is done. AUD, JPY, OTC. So what we're gonna do is we are going to put the amount of right now $3, okay, and we are just placing a trade over here, and I will place some more trades when it goes against to the 30 second. This is a warm-up trade, and I just placed one more trade, right. Within a 30 seconds I placed one trade. I got an entry into the entry time. I placed one trade into that because here there is a strong momentum of buying moment towards the upward side, so that's why I'm utilizing this, and I put 2 trades for the upward side, okay. It's okay if this is not going to be happen, right, but still I am stick along with my decision that market will move towards the upward side, from more upward side from that point. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to place some more trades into the next candle, okay. Alright, so this is what I started right now, and I am just trying to cover my last 2 trades, and I will try to close the setup into the profitable position. Let's see what's gonna happen. Whenever you are trying to enter, this is a tip into the trading. Whenever you are trying to enter into any setup, make a good analysis. Whenever you make a good analysis, that is good for you. After that, just make sure that you are going to follow your money management, right? Whenever you follow the money management, then always keep those trades in front of you which you can afford to lose, right? Avoid to dismiss your capital, means if avoid to try to avoid those mistakes in which, and this is when, so the last seconds it got when, right? So we got when, and we are back into the $141. So whatever, so the trading tip and the strategies which I was sharing it with you, it was all about the trading signals, and it was all about the setups, right? So I made an analysis that market is moving towards the upward side. There was a great momentum, right? But here this candle was not workable at all, so I made a small risk, and I was be sure about it that market will move towards the upward side. We are watching that candle. If this candle closes into the green, I will go for the next candle up again. Today my target is I need to be around about $180, right? And or $150. So this is not moving at all. It's okay, no problem. I will move towards the downward next candle, because here you can see the previous moments of the candles, that was toward the downward side, that was the bearish, that was the bearish, that was the bearish. So I hope so that market will move towards the downward side from that point, because this was a point market has shown the same bearish moment in the last candles, right, in the last moments. So always keep this thing in your mind, that market always try to tell you, always respect the levels in which market has already respected into the last moments, right? So as you can see, I have selected $3 for the investment point of view, and I'm using 2 trades on a one candle. So I'm very much sure about it. Wherever the setup in which I'm placing a trade, if I'm getting a signal non-martingale, that should be when. If I'm facing one step error, then it's okay, no problem. So what we're gonna do is, we are at the edge point, and this is when at all. This is again when at all, right? We need to move towards some other currency pair, and let's see what's gonna happen over here. Alright, so there is a great momentum into AUD USD, and I will take next candle down. I will take some next candle down. If this current candle closes into the down, I will go for the next candle down. Alright everyone, so I also, my streaming is back, and okay everyone, welcome back to the live stream session. So what I was telling you, that I am back with so our current balance is actually $147.51. Okay, so right now I've told you that according to my analysis into the AUD USD OTC market will move towards the downward side from that place. AUD USD OTC market will move towards the downward side from that place, and I will go for the next candle down, because there is a great momentum for the seller, and obviously a seller will come back, and I will go for the next candle down. So I'm telling you all in advance, get ready with that. I will try to place some more entries when if candle moves into the opposite direction within a 30 seconds. So stay tuned with me. Alright guys, get ready with that because market is moving actually in our direction. It is respecting the level and it's moving in our direction. AUD USD OTC is the name of the currency pair, where 30 seconds gone, market has stayed actually into the downward side. Before 3 candles I've given you my analysis that market will move towards the downward side. Last 10 seconds left. Always try to take those trades which you can afford to lose. And this is a win, right? So we are at $153, right? We started with $136, and before $136, 96 to 136, I did at my home, right? So we are actually at the profit of $50, $153, and this is very good at all, right? So I hope so that's the time that I need to close the session because this is a Saturday OTC market and we have already done a good profit over here.